right, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Bob's Reviews. It's been a while. Unfortunately, real life kind of gets in the way of my side job of YouTube, but let's just jump right in and show you what I've been up to. All right, gentlemen, still a work in progress here, but definitely proud of my handiwork. Still have to do this edge here, still have landscaping to do, so don't judge me too hard on that. Also with code, I do not have to put up a railing. Thought about doing it, but yeah, there's just no need. But it was very easy. Already had a foundation under here from the prior deck, tore that out, got that ripped up, and yeah, just watching a couple of YouTube videos, and this is what you can do. Materials I purchased for $1,200 at my local Menards store. This probably would have cost $6,000 for materials and labor. So definitely saved myself some money doing it myself. So yeah, gentlemen, don't be afraid to see what you can do. But yeah, gentlemen, the year's 2025. Don't underestimate what you can do. I'm not an expert. I'm not even a professional homeowner, basically. Just go on YouTube. The education's out there. There's experts. I'm not one. I just pretend to be on videos. It's simple. So even this shed that I'm standing in, I probably could have done it myself. I pay the Amish a good sum of money for it though. But yeah, educate yourself, learn. You'll be surprised what you can do. See you on the next one.